Hello everyone, welcome to another GoHighLevel video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to set up call tracking in GoHighLevel using number pools. Now, if you are not signed up to GoHighLevel, you can sign up with our link down below and you can get a 30-day free trial as well. So let's get started. So I will show you this way because it's much easier to actually show you, especially for beginners. Obviously, first thing that you want to do is you want to go to a sub account, whatever sub account you have. Then go to settings. From settings, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. You have phone numbers. So go to phone numbers, add a phone number pool. This is the second thing that you want to do. From there, as you can see, you can track visitor activity. This is obviously how to set up the call tracking or tracking visitors activity. As you can see, you can create multiple numbers that correlate calls to website visitors, PPC keywords, and more. And then, as you can see, once you pick which visitors you want to track, you can click on next, create a pool. As you can see, they recommend all visitors. This is what GoHighLevel recommends. So again, you can create that way. Now, if you select PPC search, the number on the website will only switch when the visitors are landing from a paid ad. So just click next, create pool. And then, as you can see, right here, once you fill out all of your information, you'll need to click next, tracking options. This is all the information that you want. Again, pool size, how many pool sizes are right here and everything pretty much. From there, you can choose phone numbers. Again, you can choose phone numbers here, numbers local to, toll-free numbers, or numbers in different area code. So again, you can choose whatever you want for that. And then, as you can see, you can set up a whisper message, a call recording, of some sorts if you want. Call recording, that would be good if you want to go and if you want to track calls and record them. You can click here, activate number, and that's pretty much it, right? Now, once you set up the number pool, you can click on the information icon to integrate the snippet on your website, which is right here. And then, that can be right here. As you can see, you can copy the normal snippet and add it to your website. So if you go on GoHighLevel, you can add this in sites. You can go into funnels, settings, and then here under the body tracking code, you can add the basically the entire code. So that's pretty much it. Then you just save. You can also go to edit page, and from there, if you just want to swap the on one single funnel, you can just edit the page and then go settings, tracking code, and then paste it right here. So that's pretty much it, right? So now you can head back to the number pool setup. You can click on tracking numbers, which is right here. And then, as you can see here, you can copy the swapping number and paste it on the funnels websites, which is what you can do. So again, if you want to update the swapping number, you can click on edit icon, which is right here, and you can always edit and update the swapping number. So that's pretty much it. You can uncheck the option, same as forwarding number, and set your own swapping number if you want. However, that's basically how you can set up tracking calls or call tracking in GoHighLevel. Again, if you're new around here, you can get a 30-day free trial with our link down below. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.